Hello pet lovers! Today, we're excited to introduce the rolling pet carrier with wheels, a foldable, airline-approved carrier perfect for small dogs and cats, designed to make your travel experience seamless and stress-free. This versatile pet carrier meets the standards of most airlines, fitting snugly under the front cabin seat, but be sure to check with your airline for exact dimensions. Equipped with a telescopic handle, removable chassis, and 360-degree rotating wheels, this carrier ensures a stable and quiet ride on any surface, while the adjustable shoulder strap with padding offers enhanced comfort. Your pet's safety and comfort are prioritized with a mesh window for ventilation, soft interior padding, a safety belt, and a lockable zipper to prevent any escape attempts. The durable 600D nylon fabric and thickened mesh make the carrier wear-resistant and waterproof, while the high-quality aluminum chassis and double-lever handle provide unmatched stability. Plus, the carrier can be detached from its chassis to serve as an independent travel bag, making it ideal for air and ground travel, camping, or everyday trips to the vet or groomer. With a large back pocket for essentials like wheels, bowls, and water bottles, this multifunctional pet carrier is the ultimate travel companion for your furry friend. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.